Hello, it's Valentine from Simplistic, and in this problem, we're going to calculate the pH of each solution and indicate whether the solution is acidic or basic. So, a couple of things we need to know before we do this calculation. The formula for the pH is equal to negative log of the H3O plus ion concentration. So we need to apply that formula first. And then the second step is sometimes like in this case, OH minus ion concentration is given to us. So therefore, we need to apply this logic out here where pH plus POH is equal to 14. Okay, so this is the formula that we need to apply in that case. And then the question arises, if pH is equal to this, what is POH? Well, POH is equal to negative log of the OH minus ion concentration. All right, so we know this thing. The next thing we need to understand is the pH scale. So the pH scale essentially goes from 1 through 14, with 7 being in the middle. Anything that is in this range is an acid. Anything that is in this range is a base. And then if it's 7, then your compound is neutral. Now that we understand that, let's go ahead and apply this to these two problems. All right, so what we have out here is H3O plus ion concentration is given to us, which is 9.5 times 10 to the negative 9. So the pH would be negative log of 9.5 times 10 to the negative 9. Let's go ahead and change that bracket. All right, and if we solve this, if you plug that into your calculator, it'll give you 8.02. which happens to fall in this range. So therefore, this is basic. Now, a quick mention out here. Notice carefully how you had two significant figures out here, and if you didn't know better, you would look at this and say, hey, there are three significant figures out here. So how did we get one additional one? Why did we keep it? Well, the rules for logarithms is that when you have two significant figures out here, and you take the log of a number, turns out the significant figures only appear in the decimal place of the answer. Okay, so this number out here, it actually comes from the exponent, and we know that we don't count exponents. So therefore, simple and easy, quick and easy, would be to just take the log of the number. Well, there are two significant figures that should correlate to two decimal places. And there you have it. All right, so once we did that one, let's try this one. So for this one, we'll need to find the POH first, and then we have to use this formula to back into the pH, and then next we use the scale to figure out what the pH is. So the POH, all right, so the POH out here is the negative log of this number, which is equal to 2.15. Okay, and again, notice how two significant figures out here, we put two decimal places out here. Now we're going to use this formula, pH plus POH is equal to 14. So pH plus POH is 2.15 is equal to 14. So pH ends up being 11.85. And that falls in this range, so therefore this solution is also basic. And that's it. I hope that made sense. Thank you for watching.